The tiger is one of the most iconic carnivorous mammals on Earth. It represents strength, independence, and predatory grace. But behind the cultural images and symbolism lies a real animal, one whose fate is deeply entwined with Asian ecosystems and human activity. In this video, we present 15 science-based facts about the tiger to help better understand its nature. Tiger emoji. Fact 1. The largest wild cat in the world. Among all wild felines, the tiger is the largest. Adult males of the Siberian subspecies can reach over 3 meters in length and weigh more than 300 kilograms. This makes them larger than lions, despite common belief. DNA emoji. Fact 2. 9 subspecies, but not all survive. Historically, there were 9 subspecies of tiger. 3 of them, the Bali, Javan, and Caspian tigers, became extinct in the 20th century due to habitat loss and hunting. Today, only 6 remain: Bengal, Sumatran, Siberian, Amur, Malayan, South China, and Indo-Chinese. Chart with downwards trend emoji. Fact 3. Fewer than 4,000 tigers remain in the wild. As of 2024, there are an estimated 3,900 tigers left in the wild. That is fewer than the number of captive tigers, especially in private facilities in the United States. Major threats include deforestation, habitat fragmentation, poaching, and human-wildlife conflict. Eye emoji. Fact 4. Advanced night vision. A tiger's eyes are highly adapted to darkness. Its night vision is several times more sensitive than a human's, enabling it to hunt effectively at dawn, dusk, or in total darkness. Paw prints emoji. Fact 5. Strongly territorial animals. Tigers are solitary by nature. They do not form prides like lions and maintain large, independent territories. A male may control an area of over 100 square kilometers, especially in sparsely populated regions like the Russian Far East. They mark their range using scent, scratch marks, and vocalizations. Drop of blood emoji. Fact 6. Strategic hunting behavior. Despite their size and strength, tigers are not always successful hunters. Only 7 to 10% of hunts result in a kill. Their primary tactic involves stealth, stalking from cover, followed by a quick, powerful ambush. Bone emoji. Fact 7. Diet and feeding habits. Tigers are obligate carnivores. They can bring down prey 2 to 3 times their own size, including deer, buffalo, or young rhinos. A single kill may feed a tiger for several days. They often drag carcasses to secluded spots and may cover them for later feeding. Ocean wave emoji. Fact 8. One of the few cats that enjoy water. Unlike most feline species, tigers are strong swimmers and frequently bathe or hunt in water. This trait is especially noticeable among Bengal tigers living in swampy mangroves or hot lowlands. Baby emoji. Fact 9. Reproduction and cub care. Female tigers are pregnant for approximately 100 days. They usually give birth to 2 to 4 cubs. At birth, cubs are blind and fully dependent on their mother, who cares for them for up to 18 to 24 months. Books emoji. Fact 10. White tigers are not a separate species. White tigers are not a separate species or subspecies. They are Bengal tigers with a rare recessive genetic mutation. These tigers are almost exclusively found in captivity, as the mutation is rarely viable in the wild. Cheering megaphone emoji. Fact 11. Roaring is a form of communication. A tiger's roar can be heard up to 3 kilometers away. It serves as a form of long-distance communication, a warning to rivals, a mating call, or a signal of territory. It is not always a sign of aggression. Brain emoji. Fact 12. High cognitive abilities. Tigers have advanced spatial memory and problem-solving abilities. In captivity, they can solve tasks, recognize objects, and remember routes over long periods. This reflects a high degree of intelligence among big cats. Compass emoji. Fact 13. Once spanned an entire continent. The historical range of the tiger once covered much of Asia, from eastern Turkey to the Russian Far East. Today, it is limited to just a few countries: India, Russia, Bangladesh, Nepal, Bhutan, China, Indonesia, Malaysia, Myanmar, and Thailand. Classical building emoji, Fact 14, Cultural and Symbolic Importance. In many Asian cultures, the tiger symbolizes protection, power, and authority. In China, it is one of the four sacred beasts. In India, it is the mount of the goddess Durga. Tigers appear in folklore, flags, emblems, and national mythology. Warning emoji, Fact 15, their survival depends on us. The survival of the tiger is no longer just a matter of nature, it is a matter of human responsibility. Conservation of their habitats, anti-poaching efforts, and sustainable population management are essential if we are to prevent the extinction of this iconic species. The tiger is not just an animal. It is a keystone predator whose presence helps maintain ecological balance. Preserving the tiger means preserving wild nature itself. And ultimately, preserving our own future. If you found this informative, please consider subscribing for more science-based wildlife content. And let us know in the comments, which species should we cover next.